Every single girl. I'm Jodie Stimpson. That's having a very smooth transition. What on earth is happening, Jodie?
And there's just real strength and depth, and it's really good fighting to get onto that 3-9-2 before the end of the day with a
We got Erin Densham rocking her back, Hollie Avil, and we got Lucy Hope, we got Abby Thornton, who's going to be first to hit the run course. Erin Densham has the shoes on, she's away, and the green goal by Lucy Hope and Abby Thornton, and here come 8 athletes behind, having been driven there by Jodie Stimpson. Joining our top 4.
Hey, Jodie.
Oh, here comes a sting train called Jodie Stimpson, who is absolutely really out of team to see Hollie coming back into good form there. It's been off colour for about a year or so.
British Triathlon, proudly partnered by GE. Imagination at work.